So Save Taxes with Noura today is going to talk about how do you support your nonprofits? How do you support your nonprofit in this time? And why what I've been talking about for years on you have to really support your organization with individual donations, with people like you and me, not rely on grants, not rely on any funding. Because even if whether you go to federal grants, state grants, any government grants, there's a lot of people involved in making this decision. If you go to foundation grants, yeah, those are available because those actually supported by other people like you and me. But still, like if you go to the organization to ask for that grant, there's a lot of people involved. While if you know how to talk to donors, if you know how to ask these people to support you on the right way, because I know I hear you saying, yeah, Noura, no one wants to support me. I've been asking people for donations and no one wants to support me. Well, let me tell you, you're asking people on the wrong way. You're not doing the ask the way it should be done. And this is why, because this makes me very frustrated and like it's really annoying because I know how to get the money for nonprofits. I have done it for a long time and I have helped a lot of nonprofits do it. And it's really simple if you know the system. So that's why I did a lot of free education like on my YouTube, and I also prepared a course for nonprofits. It's called 7-Figure Fundraising Roadmap. The 7-Figure Fundraising Roadmap. You can get that course at nourasbooks.com/store and you get there. You just can go there, nourasbooks.com/store, and you can find a 7-Figure Fundraising Roadmap. You can get that course, and that's going to teach you how to prepare your organization to get that funding. So make sure you get that funding from individuals. Learn how to do it. Education is something you always have to educate yourself. If you are in nonprofits or anything, if you are in life with us, you always need to improve your knowledge. You always need to get out, get out of your comfort zone and learn something new so you can stay relevant, so you can be prepared for such time. When the COVID happened and a lot of people needed funding for their businesses, those who were able to pivot, those who were able to go online and find something else, another way to deliver what they have, to get it into the hand of people, whether it's the service or products or education, they won. But those who just like sit there and complained they didn't want to learn anything, they lost. Those who were prepared with bookkeeping, with having a good financial statements, profit and loss, up to date with taxes, they were able to get those PPP loans. But those who were not ready, those who were not doing everything in a professional manner, they lost. They couldn't get advantage. And if they got it, maybe it was wrong. Maybe they got penalized later. A lot of people like got in trouble after a while. So this is what you need to really focus on. This is what you really need to make sure you're always acting as professional manner, always doing what you're supposed to do. Compliance work, bookkeeping is compliance work. Talk to a professional who knows what they're doing. Taxes, don't do your taxes alone because you will never do it right. Even for your nonprofits, you have to do taxes. A lot of people don't know that because I see you guys get passionate about something and start a nonprofit without any knowledge. And this is the wrong way to do it because nonprofit at the end of the day is a business and you should treat it as one. Let alone that, a lot of people don't even treat their business as a business. And unfortunately, this is very heartbreaking and a lot of people get in trouble for that. You don't know that bookkeeping is compliance and you are required to have it. In order to take your deductions, you have to have good record and bookkeeping. In order to make sure you are having the best tax position, you should use professionals who knows what they're doing, who are educated, who takes your benefits, they put you first, who are they passionate about their work and they want to make sure you do the best. So stop staying in your comfort zone. Stop what you're doing right now and get out of your comfort zone.